So this is the product basket of Arya Omnitalk, and I will take you through each and every product. This is our flagship product, what we call it as an AutoTrack 65. It is a state-of-art GPS tracking product with lot many sensor interface. This product is working in the industry from almost 15 years in a different versions, and this is AIS 140 device, which is apart from GPS working on IRNSS also. There are plenty of AIS 140 devices in the industry, but this device is such which has a many number of scalable ports, and it is not only meeting but it is exceeding the specification set by Morth for AIS 140. We are proposing and promoting this device for customers who they are looking for a scalable product. In the same league, this is another AIS 140 device. This is intrinsically safe for a zone 1. In India, there is no other company which is manufacturing intrinsically safe zone 1 device, which is AIS 140 also. And this device is another added advantage also. It works with a voice box and it has a panic button. So this goes combined, and I think 38,000 plus fuel tankers in India are using this product. This is another AIS 140 come normal device. This is also available with us, which is more for a mandate related clients where they are not expecting much in terms of additional sensors. Industry has shifted to 4G. Arya Omnitalk also has come up with a 4G AIS 140 device. Like 2G, this is also with the complete dual embedded SIM. At the same time, GPS, IRNSS, and all other specifications which are being demanded and asked by the Morth. This is our new generation product NGX, which we are rolling very soon, which will be going in all types of public transport and other requirements where data bandwidth requirements are higher. This is our voice box. Voice box goes with many of our devices. The capability of voice box is completely unique because we can use n number of regional languages with this. So the voice box will be playing the voice and alert messages with the necessary dBm such that in the noisy environment of the vehicle also it will be heard. At the same time, it will be announcing the things in English and Hindi or English and any other regional language which can be chosen from a central server. These all are our normal GPS tracking devices which are going for trucks, which are going for employee transportation also, which are going for schools, etc. We also are selling AutoTrack 65 series very largely for school buses, BPOs, logistics industry also who they are looking for expansions. This is our mobile data terminal. Mobile data terminal is basically used for a driver console. It can show the map to driver, complete trip to driver for transport related activity. Similarly, for emergency response management system, it goes say fire tender to where to go, details about what is the distress location, what is the distress type. Everything is being displayed here, and on this there are buttons for drivers to interact with the central server also. The panic button, which goes with any of our devices, and we have a completely different panic button than industry. We are having two LED indications in it. One LED indication will be showing whether the panic button is on. At the same time, once the panic is pressed, there will be another LED which will keep blinking, indicating that someone had pressed the panic, and this can be only resetted from a central server. No other player in industry is offering such type of panic which is interactive for both the sides. RFID readers. These are the RFID readers which works with our GPS tracking device. It is a short range RFID reader kept in an employee transportation vehicles, cars, buses. Employee can just board in, show the card, and here we have a local memory also, so that I can have authorized numbers of RFID cards which can be locally checked, and on the voice box it will be announced that whether those are valid or not. biometric sensor. Arya Omnitalk is the only company which is providing vehicle mount biometric sensor along with the GPS device. This biometric sensor is being used in a way that some of the transportations are very critical where client expects the same driver to operate throughout the journey. So what it works, it's the drivers have to show their fingers at the start of the trip, mid of the trip and end of the trip. This biometric sensor will sense that, compare that, and through our GPS device send the data to central server, indicating that the same driver has been traveling with the vehicle. If driver or co-driver changes, their fingerprints will not match and immediate alerts will come to the drivers. This is an extended on-board unit. JNNRUM has declared some of the criteria for fixing a 4G onboard unit, which not only does the tracking, but it has a high voltage amplifiers also to do the announcement in the vehicle. In-bus passenger information system is also controlled by this. This device also has a connectivity with in-bus CCTV cameras so that videos of the in-bus scenario can also be uploaded through this or through directly. This also works in a conjunction with this driver state monitoring or driver control unit device as the need may be. This is the fuel level sensor. It is an immersive type of fuel level sensor with a very high accuracy. We can cut the length based on the fuel tank. It gets connected with the GPS tracking device, and fuel levels, fuel siphoning, fuel filling and fuel consumption, all the details of the vehicle can be captured through this. This is our driver state monitoring AI camera. This camera also works in interface with our GPS tracking device. Driver state monitoring camera keeps eye on the driver's gesture. So if driver is not wearing seat belt, if driver is talking on a mobile while driving, if driver is smoking or he is distracted, if driver feels drowsy, sleepy, or he is yawning, all types of alerts are captured by these. Even if somebody covers this gives an alert. These alerts are plain alerts. Then our AI engine in our GPS tracking device will process it and on the spot will announce through this voice box the alert to the driver. So this is a state-of-art driver state monitoring system which we are very ambitious to push in the market.